Hello guys! This video is a step-by-step tutorial on how to download, install and use the new release of my Antidote program. So if you look here on releases, you will see that there's a new version out, version 1.1. This is a screenshot of it, and it's a bit different than how it looked before. So the highlights. It's now fully self-contained. The thing is that in the previous version, with this banner file, the program actually is like a, I don't know how to call it. It would pack itself up to the temp folder, and then it would have this banner file and the program, because it could not recognize this banner file if the banner file was not beside it. But so in this version it is fully self-contained. The banner image is embedded directly into the script. So, and there's a lot of other changes here. I'm not going to go through all of them. You can read this if you want. But if you go all the way down here, you will see the assets for the Antidote. So you download this one, you go to your downloads folder, you will see it here, and if you right click it and go to properties, information, you will see it's version 1.1.0.0. So this is the latest release. You right click it and you run it as administrator. It will show up this smart screen, but it's only because I have still not yet signed this with a verified certificate. We'll have to do that, but it costs money, so it will take some time. Here is the new updated version of the program. And also in my previous tutorial I didn't show you guys that if you like to have a dark theme, you can change the theme up here to dark. So this is how it looks like if it's in dark theme, and this is how it looks like in the light theme. Dark and light. I like to have it in the light theme. So the new stuff that I have added to the program is that beside the select all and clear all, there are three new options here: minimal, recommended and returning user. So minimal will only do the trimming and the temp file and junk removal. The recommended will create a restore point, do the system repair, do the deep cleanup, check for application updates, disk optimization, power plans, GPU scheduling, advanced FPS latency tweaks, the network low latency tweaks, the debloat privacy hardening. So you can read about all the stuff. Like here it tells about the privacy hardening. It removes pre-installed bloatware. It uninstalls OneDrive. Stops and disables 4 telemetry background indexing services. Diag track, this one, vsearch and sysmain. It applies privacy registry policies that turn off telemetry, Cortana and web search, location services, start menu and lock screen suggestion ads, Windows AI, recall snapshots, Edge metrics. So this is if you are using Edge, it will send off the information to Microsoft. It will turn it off. It will also turn off this one. Here it tells why you would want it. It will significantly less it will make it much less background activity. It will have a lower idle CPU and disk usage. Markedly improved privacy posture. No telemetry going to Microsoft, no recall screenshots accumulating in the background, a cleaner start menu and less visual cluttering, fewer prompts. And here are the trade-offs. You can read about all of these stuff if you want. You just go to the info of each of all of these if you want to read more about everyone. But so this is recommended, and this is returning user. It will only do these 3 steps. So I can show you the minimal option. You press minimal and you run selected phases here. You're about to run 3 phases, blah blah blah. Yes. And this will take much less time. Maybe the system restore point can take some time to do. No. So it's almost finished. All selected phases completed. A restart is recommended for changes to take full effect. Do you want to reboot now? I won't do that. So you can clear all, and then I can show you I will not show you the recommended because it will take such a long time. But if you press returning user and press run selected phases, you're about to run these. Okay. It will go very fast to do this. Right now it's checking for application updates. You can read here what it is, if it finds anything. I don't know if I got any updates. I might have some application updates, I don't know. Phase completed. Okay, it doesn't show if it found anything, but it will update it everything. So yeah, all selected phases are completed. Our restart is recommended, like it said, all the time. But so you can see on the GUI that it is a bit of a change. It is much more wider this way instead of this way. And I think this is much better. Also, all these buttons are on the same row. I can show you also if we would do recommended and we would press run selected. Press yes, and then if we press cancel, it will wait for the current step to finish, and then it will cancel. And then you can see here that it got cancelled. Also, if you want to, you can press the escape button. That will also make it cancel. So I can show you that. If I press this, and then I press the escape button, it is cancelling. So there are a few shortcuts that you can do. They are all listed in the GitHub repo for the updated version. And I can show you guys how it looks like if you put it into dark mode. Do clear all, and we do returning user, and we do run selected. So that is how it looks like when you run it in the dark theme. Also, there is no changes here, everything is still the same. I have changed this color, so it's also the same as all the other buttons. So yeah, I hope you guys have liked this preview and this step-by-step tutorial on how to download, install and use this program. And yeah, I see you guys later. I will come back streaming more today, so I see you there. Goodbye.